Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be reviewing a brand new product. This is the e.l.f. Sheer For It Blush Tint. It's a stain for your lips and cheeks. I'm mostly excited to put this on my lips. This is on Left on Red. I've been seeing this everywhere, so I had to get my hands on it and try it for myself. I'm so excited. Obviously my lips are bare and they need some color, so I'm very anxious to put this on. But that's what today's gonna be all about. It's gonna be a very fun video. So before we get started, please give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Join the family. Do not miss out on 3 videos a week. Please make sure you're subscribed. But if you want to see me review this new product, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, I'm so excited about this. I've been loving lip stains lately and I feel like sometimes they can be very hit or miss. And I've been seeing a lot of good things about this one. So I have high hopes for this. I really do. So as usual, we are just going to be touching on some details. We're gonna see what it's all about. Then we're going to try it on, primarily on the lips. I will try it on my cheeks for you guys, but I am wearing a little bit of blush on them. But I primarily got this for the lips, but we'll try it on both. So anyways, I have it pulled up on Ulta where I got it. I'm just gonna touch on some details and then we're gonna try it out. So again, it's the e.l.f. Sheer For It Blush Lip and Cheek Tint. Again, I got the shade Left on Red, so it's a sheer red, but just from videos and pictures that I've seen of other people wearing this, it's the prettiest color on the lips. So I'm really excited. There's 5 different shades that you could choose from, so there was a little bit of a variety. And then you get 0.22 ounces in the actual product. Best part, this was $5, you guys. Literally, are you kidding me? Like, how can you beat that? $5 freaking. So I'm really hoping that I love the product and that it looks really good and that it is a recommendation, because $5, like, come on. So if I like it, I'm probably gonna end up buying every single color because $5, like $25 for all 5 products. Like, come on. So the summary, it's cruelty-free conscious beauty at Ulta. e.l.f. Cosmetics multi-use Sheer For It Blush Tint is a buildable stain for lips and cheeks with a watery texture that makes it easy as e.l.f. to blend and build up for a dreamy hint of color with a natural finish. I don't know why I'm having a hard time reading this today. Just ignore me. It's been that kind of a day. Infused with hyaluronic acid to deliver a surge of hydration to skin and lips. Love the hydration part because I want that and I need that at all times. Love that it says hint of color with a natural finish, because I always want my lips to look on the more natural side, especially during the day. And I feel like this kind of a product you want to grab for during the day and put on with makeup, without makeup, whatever. So I'm super excited. e.l.f. is double certified cruelty-free by Leaping Bunny and PETA. I love that. And that's really it. Key ingredient, hyaluronic acid. I think we touched on everything. I am actually curious though for the how to use. Swipe blush tint on the cheeks with the applicator and then, okay, so blend in with the brush. That was the only thing that I was like, how do they expect you to use this? With your fingers, with a brush, with a sponge, like what is it? So, okay, let's unbox this. I can already see what the product itself looks like, but here it is. I do think it's cute. I think obviously it's $5, so I wasn't expecting like crazy luxurious packaging, but I do think it's really cute packaging for being just $5 for this entire thing. I really do like it. So I'm gonna swatch a little bit on the back of my hand. Love the applicator. I feel like this is good for lips and for cheeks. It's like the perfect size. So here that is swatched. It does look like reddish, but it has like that sheerness to it. So it's not like bright in your face red. I'm letting it like dry off for a second. And then I'm gonna wipe it a little bit just so we can see how it stains. Okay, that's after wiping off the product. Here's what the stain looks like. Love the color. It's not like a red when it's just stained on there. It's like a natural pinky color and I love that. And it's obviously not moving once the actual like product comes off. So I'm super excited to see how this looks. So I'm going to apply on both my lips and I'll do my cheeks as well. Again, I do already have a little bit of a blush product because I was trying another product on my cheeks, but we're just gonna see what it does either way. So let's get started and then we'll talk details. Alright guys, I just finished applying. Here are my lips. They are definitely stained. And then I only did it on one cheek so that you could see the difference between where it's applied and where it's not. So here's the cheek that it is applied on. And then here's the cheek it's not applied on. As you can see, it is on the more subtle side. Like it is like a sheer flush on my cheek, but it definitely added color and just this really pretty glow to my cheeks. So I'm actually obsessed with what it does in that area. And then even on the lips, I feel like it looks really pretty. It's more pigmented than I was expecting. I got like a piece of toilet paper just to see if I could wipe off some of the excess. I feel like it dried down pretty quickly. Like I would say maybe like a minute, if even that. And it felt like it was like dried down on my lips. Here it is after wiping off some of the excess. I think that's gorgeous. I think it's so pretty. I absolutely loved the applicator because it's big enough to like fit my entire lip, but it's also like the tip of it, it's not pointy, but it's just angled enough to where I can create the perfect lined lip at the same time, if that makes sense. So I feel like I was able to line my lips and fill them in really effortlessly and perfectly. So I'm obsessed, you guys. Like I really love how this turned out. It doesn't feel drying at all on my lips and on my cheeks. Like it feels really good. Doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. The color is like the perfect amount of color without being too red, but without like not being able to see anything too. I love the fact that it won't move once it's on your lips. Like obviously unless you get them like super wet, then I'm sure like a little something will come off. But when your lips are just dry and you're talking or just doing something, the product is not going to come off of your face. So I really love what it's doing for me. Again, color is gorgeous. My cheeks and my lips. Like I can't stop looking at it. I just obviously, when I was on camera with you, applied to the other cheek and it's just stunning on both sides. Like it's giving me a very summery, sun-kissed kind of look. And I am here for it, you guys. Like I feel like this is gonna be my go-to for my like no makeup days, even my makeup days, but especially the days where I don't wanna necessarily wear makeup and I just want something that's gonna last on me. I feel like I'm gonna grab for this a lot. And again, for $5, it is like so hard to beat that. Like it is doing such a good job and it is priced so insanely. I have to give this a yes. Like I really love, again, what it's doing for me on both areas of my face. And it's so cute. Like $5, 1000% yes. You will for sure be seeing this on my channel again and again, and I'm gonna get more colors. So I love it. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed. Comment and let me know what you think about how it turned out on me. Let me know what else you want me to try for you or do for you on the channel. Just give me some ideas. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.